So when it comes to putting timbers in your home, one question that people are always wrestling with is where to draw the line. How much is too much? Is it enough? The desire to be consistent can be both friend or foe in helping us decide where to draw the line. So with the Rustic Factor, with 0 being a modern hospital and 10 being a heavy log cabin, where do you fall on that spectrum? Everybody's different, you're unique, and you're gonna have a number that you want to hit. What is that number? So when it comes to interior decor, posts can be a big deal. On the exterior, not so much, but on the interior, posts that come from the ceiling to the floor will ramp the Rustic Factor way up. I don't know what it is, it just does. Let's talk transitions. Transitions are moving from one room to another, one area to another. Do we want to have, boom, a total difference in another room, or do we want to bleed that out? This is really what we're looking for. When it comes to curb appeal and outdoor accents, what is too much? This invariably happens every time we do a design. This looks good, that looks good. Okay, here's another cool idea, and then whoops, we know when it's too much. Back off, simplify, bam, sweet spot. So the best question you can ask yourself is, how do you want your home or your project to look and feel when it's all done? So if you take your time and follow the process, you will figure out where to draw the line. It will just reveal itself. Nobody's gonna have to tell you, bam, you've got it.